Hi, this is Chris with Luma's Document Cameras. We're here at the Stampede Big Book of AV Tour, and we've set up a little table here with some of our products. This is the Higher Ed product. It's a desktop document camera. It's a high-definition 1080p document camera with actually it's audio video as well. It has a built-in microphone. You can do lecture capture, save a QuickTime video right into itself, play that video right from itself as well. Just plug in a speaker. This is a very popular unit out there at the Higher Ed and podiums. You might see those in the corporate world as well. It folds flat very neatly, and it's very low cost. Next one over here, we're looking at the Ladybugs. These are in the K-12 market. K-12 market, I think this year is over $100 million, conservatively estimated. Right here we have the world's first wireless document camera. It's a 1080p, 802.11, video streaming through USB to your to your laptop or your workstation. If you don't already have a wireless connection in your workstation, we include a dongle right here you can plug into your workstation. So it's 802.11. It does not touch your network. It has its own SSID. Very robust, proven technology. Again, 1080p. This is a DC265. It's a multimedia document camera. Again, 1080p. HDMI out on this one as with the desktop over here. And the 1080p can also go through your VGA. Plug in a speaker, and you can play back your own QuickTime videos with this camera as well. Very popular in K-12 schools right now. Comes with a microscope adapter and a full replacement warranty like all of our cameras. We don't just swap them out. I mean, we don't just repair them. We actually swap them out for you. If you have a problem, we ship you the new one right away. As we move on down, this is a little bit lower price. This is also a video document camera. There's no microphone on this one, but it'll record its own QuickTime video with no sound, and you can play it back right from the camera. These document cameras have built-in chips. They are Texas Instruments processor chips, so they're very intelligent. You'll notice you can adjust the lamp. The image quality on a document is all about how you manage the light, and with our document cameras, you can move the lights around, even turn them on off if you want to. The auto-tune button on all of our cameras also enables you to very quickly adjust for the light in the room. It does the auto white balance as well. So if you have a different temperature of light, a different type of light bulb, you just press that auto-tune, it'll adjust for you right away. But the Ladybug name is gaining quite a bit of ground out there in the K-12 market, and we also have the document camera, the desktops, for the higher ed and the corporate market. Thank you very much.